Welcome. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
My name is Susan, and I came all the way from Southern California.
What would you be singing for us today?
Okay, I will be singing Milkshake.
Let's hear it.
Okay, all right. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, yeah, right? All to the yard. I think that's how it goes.
Okay, well that's a really good time to end it.
Okay, yeah, that's it.
Okay.
I think there was more to the song than that, but...
I just want to let you guys
think
know,
that's the
singing
right
is my
place.
passion. I really want this. I really want the Hmong Idol title.
How long have you been singing?
Ever since I was 6.
And how old are you now?
I am 21.
I think it's time for you to find a new dream.
a new passion, because this is definitely not for you.
What?
My little southern girl, I'm sorry.
The exit is right there, by the way. You could just walk yourself out.
I'm sorry. Maybe next year.
Don't be giving us this puppy eyes, it'll work.
Don't give her hope. I don't think you should keep on trying anymore. It's time to go study more.
I will, thank you.
And from our first audition of the day, such a flop.